is a short and interim episode. I'd like to share a decision we've made. We have been traveling for 2 years and we did that on the Moto Morini. We've been in many countries on incredible places. But there's also a dark edge to the journeys. We had many problems with our motorcycles, and some that serious it resulted in 2 unfinished journeys. One bike always had to be left abroad. We've thought a lot what to do next, and we've made a decision. We're done with it. Not with traveling, no way, but with our bikes. So, we did a lot of research, looked at hundreds of reviews. We opt for a more reliable and lighter bike that suits the way we like to travel. And we found one. It's extremely popular in New Zealand and Australia. We are behind on our vlogs on YouTube due to all kinds of projects that have come up in between. So there will be some more episodes with our old bikes. Sorry for that, but thank you for your support and thank you for your patience. There will be more. And let's swap the girls for the cool guys. We meet again. Boys are home! Welcome home, boys!
Yeah! Let us introduce you to CFMOTO's 450 MT. Lighter, nimbler, 21-inch front. You just had the first 50 Ks with them. We fell in love.
Yeah, right now they're standard, so we have to dress them up. It's gonna be fun.
We're happy campers again.